Today we're going to be making a like a tie-dye marble effect soap. I'm using the fragrance Sweet Pea since it's summer, and I've already added my fragrance oil, and I went ahead and I added a teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, it's rich in vitamin E and it's real softening to your skin. And it's also known to help people with eczema and psoriasis for the itching problems. And it's supposed to help the signs of aging, something we can all use. So first of all, I took and I mixed my micas with alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and do some drops. I'm not sure how much I have here for how many bars, but we'll do maybe 3. I'll go melt if I have to. Okay. Now we've got our green. Oh, that one around the side. Okay. We have our purple. I guess you don't want to get too close to the edge because it wants to run and spill. Slide all the way around the edges of the mold. Not our lemon. It's a light yellow, lemon yellow. Okay, so now we need to mix up our base really good. Make sure the almond oil and fragrance oil is all in there. Incorporate it. And let's see, I need my alcohol, and you know what, I'm going to put just a little bit of glitter on these. Maybe should have put it before the mica, but we'll find out. It's kind of just a test. Looks kind of like Easter colors. Okay, so I'm going to pour a thin layer. Spritz it. Now I'm going to let them set for just a little bit, get a little bit firm, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat this step, and then we'll come back and finish. Okay, I'm back. They're not really firm, but we're going to go ahead and spritz them. And then repeat the steps with our mica. I probably won't use as much. I just want to keep the color flowing throughout the whole bar, so it's just not on the top. So we'll use smaller dots. Yellow. Okay, I'm going to let it set a minute. We'll stir our soap. There's no bubbles, so I don't know if I should spray it. I think I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, now I'm going to spray it. And we're going to let it set. See if we can get a little thin film on the top and then come back and finish. I've let it get a little bit of a skin on it, and I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. And we're going to repeat the micas. Thinking maybe I'm going to like the bottom better than the top. Maybe it'll be an upside down soap. We'll see when we get it out of the mold. all kind of quick. Oh. Okay, and we'll go to our yellow. Okay. Go ahead and stir my soap. Pour a thin layer. All right, we're going to spritz it and get the bubbles out. And we'll take and just glitter a little bit of the top in case we decide we want this for our top. Okay, we're going to let this set up and get hard and come back and unmold it. It's kind of warm, so I might not get it unmolded today, and I'll just use the picture and the thumbnail for the video if I can't get it done in time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.